Father.
What are you doing, Jackson?
Oh no. And that
I think you're stuck.
duck.
Can you fit through there? Can you fit? I don't think so.
Oh no. Oh no. Duck. I did it.
Yes, you did.
Duck.
Jackson Diego.
Duck. 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 Oh no. Duck. Duck.
You did it, you did it, you did it. No hitting the screen. Jackson Diego, no pushing.
Duck. 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 No.
Jackson, what are you so happy about?
No. No.
Are you an elephant? Jackson, thank you. That's very good. Don't crash into the screen. Jackson, you're just happy to... Are you happy to be awake? Hey, is Abuela awake? Jackson. Are you a bird? Are you a bird? Show me. Hey, little bird. Hey, little bird. What does the bird say? Okay. Go, go. Go, little bird, go. Little bird, I think Abuela's up. Wanna see? Check and see. Is she awake? Do you see her?